Right, this is No 10 Shop I channel. We are here at Loftus Stadium, Mamelodi Sundowns 3, Cape Town City North. My brother, how's it?
Good, and you?
Hey, sharp, thanks, man. I can see you are wearing this spring T-shirt, your Sundowns. It shows that you are a prominent Sundowns fan.
Yeah.
How do you feel about the game tonight?
Sure, I'm happy. I'm happy. New coach, new Steve Compella.
Yeah. New Mangoba.
Yeah, coach, already I mentioned him.
Yeah.
Mangoba, yes, I'm happy. It's the second time, especially when we come to Loftus First Field.
Yeah.
They don't disappoint, these guys.
Yeah.
They don't disappoint.
Oh, that's good.
They don't disappoint. Altridgeville, there is something that we have to sort here.
Yeah, big time.
Altridgeville is not good.
So you don't want to go to Altridgeville anymore?
No.
But you won your last game at Altridgeville?
Lose.
Which one?
Lose.
No, you haven't lost at Altridgeville.
Lose.
This is it.
Lose second times with Mangob. It didn't start out nice at all.
No, but are you talking about MTN 8? Oh, I thought you were talking about the league.
Our league were perfect.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah. Perfect, Mara. You lost to Polokwane City perfectly. So.
It's good. It's good. I know why.
Why?
Mushishi was not there.
But tonight he was not there, but you won.
Yes, even 5-0 we won without Muthish.
Exactly.
We are pick-upping. That's why I said Mangoba.
Yeah.
What you are doing is good.
Very good, yeah.
It's good.
Just tell him. Just tell him that he can hear you.
Yeah. Mr. Mangoba is good. You know that I don't love you 100%.
How? You must love him 100%.
Why?
Because of he's winning for you. Yeah, he just won. 3-0, 3 points, clean sheet. Are you not happy? You just said you are happy. Earlier.
I'm happy.
Yeah, you
but
must.
Not 100%.
You must love him 100% then, so that you can be happy 100%.
He must know our target.
What's your target?
Our target. Number one is league.
Yeah. He won the league game tonight.
No. Mangoba is still starting.
Yeah, only I think 6 games now, so you can't blame him for.
I don't blame him.
Yeah. Okay, no, that's good, man. On Saturday, are you going to win or are you going to lose?
Saturday, obviously, I'm going to be there with you.
I know.
Obviously.
What is your score prediction?
Let me see.
Calling Black Label Cup.
Let me see. I can predict even the one who's gonna score.
Predict
I believe that we're gonna win.
It's your time to predict.
I think we're gonna beat them 4.
4-0.
4. Can be 0 or 1.
Yeah.
Yes, but 4.
You're
gonna score.
Man, and who's gonna score?
Number 1, Shaululile. Renas.
Yeah.
Robero.
Yeah. Beautiful. Thank you so much, my brother. All the best on Saturday. Make sure that you bring that Calling Black Label Cup to Pretoria.
Obvious. We're hungry.
Hey, tada.
We're hungry.
Hungry lions.
We're hungry.
Thank you so much, my brother. Thank you for supporting the channel. Please make sure that you support the channel by subscribing and help us to reach 10,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. Hey, tada.